Welcome to Art of Forex channel. In this channel we will talk about Forex trading. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Today, we have another manipulation setup happens on AUD/JPY. We have a support flip resistant the manipulation area. And on top we have a supply zone, with a huge drop. We have a resistant on the left. Inside the zone we can use this as our entry point. The price has triggered our entry point. Let's just wait for another few hours and see what are the price doing. After a few hours the price hit our take profit area. Next we have another grade A setup right here on EURCHF. We have a resistant area. A supply zone on top. And the price came back quickly to the supply zone and dropped down for 300 pips. If you guys have any question, please comment down. Please share this video to your friends and subscribe to this channel. I will explain more on how the market works and how big banks trades.